Hey guys, welcome back. So what do you do when you have thousands of precious memories saved in your WhatsApp chat? Do you just leave it at that? Well, I would really hope not. And that's why today we're going to be talking about why backing up your WhatsApp chat is so important and how you can do it properly on both Android and iPhone. Now, before we begin, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button to get notified whenever we post a new video. So first up, let's talk about backing up WhatsApp on Android. Now, WhatsApp on Android backs up your chats to Google Drive, which is great because Google Drive is pretty reliable. However, you need to make sure that you've done it properly. Open the app, tap the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Chats, and finally tap on Chat Backup. Here you'll see the date of your last backup and which Google account is being used for the backup. If it says never, you haven't backed up your chats yet, don't worry, it's easy to start. Tap back up to Google Drive and choose how often you want to back up your chats. Now you can choose daily, weekly, monthly, or you can choose to do it manually. Now, if you want a really safe option, go for daily. And make sure to check the Include Videos option if you want your media and other documents to be backed up to. Lastly, tap on Backup and that's it. Your chats will be safe. However, there are a few things you should remember. Firstly, your Google account needs to have enough space to store your chats. Remember, WhatsApp backups don't count towards your Google One storage unless you have connected your Google Photos or exceeded certain limits. So check your Drive storage regularly, especially if you back up media. You can do this by going to Google Drive and checking your storage. If you're running low on space, you can always upgrade your storage or clear out some unnecessary files. Now second, if you're switching phones, don't uninstall WhatsApp until you've finished backing up your chats. And lastly, don't forget to check your local backups too. Local backups happen automatically every day at 2 a.m. They are stored on your phone in the WhatsApp Greater Than Databases folder. They don't go to the cloud, but they're useful if something goes wrong with Google Drive or if you want a manual copy. You can also export your chats. You can do this by opening a chat, tapping the three-dot menu, then More, and choosing Export Chat. You'll be able to save the conversation as a text file with or without media. It's a good way to store specific conversations permanently, especially if they contain important info like documents, notes, or personal memories. Now, let's move on to our next topic, backing up your WhatsApp on iPhone. Backing up on iPhone is pretty similar to Android. Open WhatsApp, tap Settings in the bottom right corner, go to Chats, then Chat Backup. Just like on Android, you'll see the last backup time and a manual backup button. To turn on automatic backups, tap Auto Backup and select the frequency daily, weekly, or monthly. Now make sure iCloud Drive is enabled in your iPhone settings and that you re-signed in with enough iCloud storage. If your storage is full, WhatsApp won't be able to back up your data, so it's your responsibility to make sure that you have enough space. You can check your iCloud storage by going to Settings Greater Than General Greater Than iCloud. If your storage is getting full, you can always upgrade your iCloud storage or clear out some unnecessary files. Now we're going to tell you about an interesting thing called encryption. Now backing up your WhatsApp isn't just about saving your chat history, it's also about keeping your data secure. WhatsApp offers you the option to encrypt your backups with a password or a 64-digit encryption key. This way only you can access the backup. Even WhatsApp can't unlock it without your key. To set this up, go to the backup settings in WhatsApp and enable the encryption feature. We understand that losing important chats or memories can be frustrating and upsetting. That's why we created this video to help you prevent that from happening. We hope that after watching this video, you feel more confident about backing up your WhatsApp data. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.